Morning, morning, my friends in the east, and good evening to my friends in the west. I hope you all are having a great start to the week. Oh, it is raining heaven in Singapore, like from morning to evening, evening to night, night to morning, and it's so blissful. And yeah, I just wanted to share the glimpse of the weather, the rain, and I really hope that you are able to find balance, able to find happiness, peace, success, joy. You will always find some sorrow, something to be upset, but you're dealing with it, you're not giving up on them. And on that note, wishing you all a very happy Tuesday. Friends in the east, time to wake up, time to start another day with focus, dealing with distractions, finding balance between not so good things and good things, and steering the way ahead, moving forward. On that note, what did I do this morning? This morning I woke up to lovely rain. I sat by my balcony, meditated with the sounds of the rain and no other music. I think it's a core in itself that you can tune to and meditate. It was amazing. I think as I get better at meditation, I'm going to start not depending on music and finding the meditation rhythm in the natural sound. Well, after that, as I said, I wasn't again feeling the best the rest half of the day yesterday. So taking it slow, and I did some yoga, basic yoga stretches this morning, and hopefully I can come back in form. I miss running. I think not running is making me more irritable. So yeah, that be it. But again, I'm not going to push my body. I've just taken my first dose of vaccine 5 days back, and unlike other body types, my body type is a bit more sensitive, so I'm taking time to recover. But listening to my body and giving it another day, and a slow start with yoga was good enough. Heading towards my Tuesday, but before that, tip of the day. So what is the tip of the day? Just like the song, Dheere Dheere Chal. For my friends who don't understand Hindi, it means to move slowly, slowly. So yeah, the tip of the day is this. Genius is knowing where to stop, where to pause. I'm going to cover this genius to stop idea a lot of times, because we can talk about a multitudes of angles, multitudes of topics, life situations where we can use this. But let's take an example. Genius is knowing where to stop with a person where you know the conversation will go south. We all know that we have different kind of stakeholders. We may not want to talk to them, but we have to talk to them. It could be work, it could be relationships, it could be the entangled life where we have codependency, responsibilities, and we need to deal with these stakeholders. But there comes a time, let's say somebody starts a nasty email chain with you, or a nasty WhatsApp chat chain with you. We all in our gut at some point realize that this is not going well. This will end up in some kind of drama. And that is the point exactly, my friends, where you need to be the genius and you need to know and put a stop to it. When I say put a stop, it's not about cutting it out, snapping on the person, just cutting the discussion, but breaking the loop from severing the discussion any further, the email any further. What you can do is, the moment you have this hint of this thing going south, take a pause. You can always say, hey, I'm heading towards a meeting, I'll get back to you this on later. By doing so, you are going to buy yourself some time and some mind space to find the relevance of this conversation, whether you have to do it or you can avoid it or you can do it at a later stage. So first is having the mind space, buying mind space for yourself. Second is, once you have known the relevance, you would have a better action sequence to this relevant conversation. So this is my tip of the day. Hey Vimarsh. And remember, genius is knowing where to stop. Genius is knowing and understanding the patterns and not falling for the trap if you have already fallen for it a long time back. So on that note, feel free to give me feedback, because it's about co-learning. I look forward to listening to your experiences where you have pulled out the genius and known where to stop. I'm going to retire now for the day. This is Shivani signing off from Insta Mornings, and I'll see you another day with another good story, good tip of the day, and some learnings. Until then, take care, stay happy, stay safe. I love you all. Bye-bye.